Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person you would like to study or work with. You should say who is that person, why you would like to study with him or her, and what will you study. So as you all can see, there are three questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these three questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you people. Well, I am a nerdy person and like to study solitarily as well as in groups. But today, I would like to talk about my friend Hardeep who makes learning fun and interesting. So as you all can see, instead of starting directly with the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly conveying what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Also, for those of you who do not know the meaning of nerdy, it simply means a person who is too much into studies. Also, solitarily means studying alone. So, we used a better vocabulary word instead of using alone. So you can add this to your vocabulary list and next time when you are practicing, you can also try using it in your conversation. Alright, so let's continue. I am friends with her since my fourth standard and we both share similar interests and hence I find it easy to connect with her. Additionally, she had a great command over mathematics and always willingly shared easy tips and tricks to solve the lengthy equations and problems accurately. Moreover, she had also deployed an effortless method to memorize all the algebraic formulas, and after adopting her way, I never made any errors in remembering them, which was quite challenging for me otherwise, and in fact, I developed a keen interest in the subject. So, as you all can see, we have answered the first two questions, which is who is that person, and we have also given a very good elaboration for the second part of the question, which was why you would like to study with him or her. Now the third part of the question is still remaining, which was what will you study? So let's continue. Furthermore, she is reliable, trustworthy, and willing to go above and beyond, as well as she has supported me whenever I needed assistance. Moving further, I would like to pursue a career in accountancy and feel that a strong understanding and grasp over numericals would surely be beneficial for me and help me to excel in the field. So as you all can see, we used a range of connectors like additionally, moreover, furthermore, and all of these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part. As for our pronunciation, it was quite clear all throughout. That means there was no difficulty for anyone who was listening to it to understand what we are trying to speak, right? Also, we did not take any kind of pauses in between. So we had a good flow while we were speaking. So that will also add to our band scores for the fluency portion. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. In the next video, I will be preparing a sample answer for another cue card topic. Meanwhile, if you do have any other topic in mind, make sure to comment down below and I will be more than happy to prepare a sample answer for that as well. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.